Hey everybody, it's Stu from the Little House of Beans, and today we're going to put the Omnia muffin insert versus some silicone muffin cups. As you can see here, I put the price up, 29 bucks for the Omnia, 10 bucks for the silicone cups. And we're going to do a couple of different tests here, but so many people have asked which is better and so on and so forth. And it's tough for us because we don't use these products all the time, but we're going to try at least to make some headway here. So the first test is going to be just the silicone insert versus the cups inside two regular sized Omnia ovens. And the second test, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to put baking grates underneath the silicone. This particular baking grate, I couldn't find the Omnia baking grate. I must have given it away in one of our giveaways. But a lot of people put these under their silicone, so we're going to do the same. And we're going to see if we can change the cook time as well. But otherwise, these are identical except for the baking grates underneath. So the test here is not even a recipe. Basically, it's puff pastry that Edye is laying out here on her tiny little cutting board. And basically, we're just going to take some cookie dough that you see here, and we're going to put it all over the puff pastry, and then we're going to roll it up and cut it and put it in the Omnia muffin insert, and then put these also in the same silicone muffin cups. And that is the recipe that we're going to test with here. We thought instead of doing muffins, we do something just slightly fancier that might be also a bit more interesting. So let's see how we go. We're going to start cooking. Okay, so we tried to cook it as low a flame as possible, and I think the average was about 200 Fahrenheit. The silicone cups finished a little bit faster than the Omnia insert, but basically the cookies were kind of the same, right? I mean, one cooked a little bit faster, but as you can see here, Edye's breaking them up. On the right-hand side are the silicone cups, and on the left-hand side is the Omnia insert. And they basically came out the same, right? The Omnia is more uniform in shape. So let's try the second test, see how we do. Okay, so we're gonna start our second test here. Same recipe, same everything. The only difference is that you have baking grates in each of the Omnias. So we did that test. We tried to get the temp at an average of 250. The time was pretty much the same. The silicone cups finished maybe 3 minutes before at like 50 minutes, whereas the Omnia insert again finished 3 minutes later. To be quite honest, the end result is identical, right? The cookies or the cookie, whatever, I don't even know what to call these. They're pretty much the same. They came out exactly the same. I tried to do the shape on the silicone cups a little rounder so they kind of look the same. So basically, they cook exactly the same as far as I'm concerned. So folks, what have we actually learned here? Well, I think we've learned that you can use these individual silicone muffin cups perfectly fine inside an Omnia oven. I know plenty of folks do it. A lot of people have asked us to try this test. I can see no difference, if I'm to be 100% honest. The cookies or whatever that recipe we did, they came out identical. The cook time was pretty close, and honestly, I couldn't really see any difference. So perhaps, you save a few bucks and you get the silicone cups. I can't speak to longevity of the silicone cups because we don't use them that often. We use the Omnia silicone insert for muffins. That's what we use. So I can't speak to the longevity of the cups, but at half the price, maybe that's the way to go. Either way, this is something you guys ask us to test, and we've done that today. And that is pretty much it. So if you like this kind of content, please, pretty please, hit the thumbs up button, share the video with others. And that's the kind of thing that helps our little channel grow day by day. And that's it for me. So I'm Stu Beans with the Little House of Beans, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.